Good evening, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. What happened on the market and what do we expect from the market this week? So to me, I see that we had a very great week. And on Friday, last Friday, we had NFP. Whoa, better than expected, guys. You can see that the numbers were crazy. 254 or 254K employment. That was great. And unemployment change went actually lower, and hourly earnings went higher. So everything was quite good, and that is actually good for US economy and also for the stock market. Maybe people that were surprised when they see Nasdaq US30s are all going up, because that is good for the economy. Anything that is good for the economy, most likely it will be good for the stock market, especially when we think about a slowing down of the economy. Because if the economy is slowing down, some companies, they won't perform very well, especially on the Nasdaq side, if you do trade in Nasdaq. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yeah, for those who want to be part of the team, guys, you can get our lifetime. Just check there. Our lifetime is $99, but you can get our lifetime signals for only $59. So which means you're saving actually, let's say $39, or let's just say $40. So $59 you pay once, you can be part of the team. I'm trying to cut the prices so that we can eat together. You can join the team and we can start to eat together. So you can just WhatsApp me, and yeah, you can just WhatsApp me, or we can say check my contacts there, or my QR code, then we can talk from that. So another thing, guys, here is for those who want me to trade for them. If you have enough account and you want me to trade for you, maybe for 3 or 4 months there, let me know. Let me know, then we can talk, we can discuss what is going to happen. So now we are on a dollar index. What's really happening on dollar index? We can easily see that the market, it seems to be reversing. Yes, we are coming from this nice uptrend structure, but it seems like the market, it's reversing. So I don't believe maybe we will see the market pushing up like that. I think it was a very good thing from NFP. We saw a very nice move from NFP. So now the market, if we checked on Friday, I think we did talk about this, that if NFP is going to be positive, we expect a nice reversal. But at the end of the day, I think the market will still continue to go even lower. So this shows us that the dollar, it was very stronger on Friday, but along the way we might see the market starting to reverse, because we're still gonna have some economic news, you see. So if we check, I think on that, okay, it's fine, we will check it tomorrow. If you check this coming week events, we also have FOMC meeting. I think they're just going to speak. It's not all about federal rates cards or something, it's just a speech. So which means they might actually specify about cutting the rate, and that might push the market to do what? To reverse. So but this was a very nice move from NFP. That it's a very nice move. So, and yeah, for us who actually looking for buys on S&P 500 and other ones, I think that it's a good thing, because it shows us that the market, it wasn't that aggressively weak. So on Gbpusd, we can easily see that no, the stock market, so GBP, sorry guys, it's like I'm all over the place. So maybe it's because it's late. It's time to sleep actually. So we can see that GBP is still on that nice uptrend, even though we had NFP very positive, but you can easily see that the market did not really change anything. At the end of the day, it seems like we are going to continue with our uptrend. That's how it is. And the market will do that. The market will actually do that. Let me just go on a daily time frame. So you will see that, yes, the market is trying to reverse there. So the best thing that I can say is the market already tried to touch, not exactly, but the market actually was very, very closer to this level. So there is enough room to say, yeah, now it's a good time for the market to reverse. We had a proper sell, so I think at the end of the day, the market will just continue with this nice uptrend. So this week I will be expecting to buy Gbpusd, especially when we had some very nice sell. But the overall structure, what I like here is you can easily see that we never had any change of a structure. We are still on that nice uptrend. Whether NFP it was positive or not, you can see that the market is still quite bullish. Similar to here on gold, you can see that gold on a daily time frame, whether it's 4 hours or daily time frame, you can still see that we are still looking for a proper bullish move. I was surprised when I see the market trying to be in favor of gold, but just because I understand, and I think I also mentioned this last week, Friday, that tensions in the Middle East, when things are not really going well, mostly you will see that even gold won't really respond much to the news. And this is what we see, because the way NFP it was very aggressively stronger or positive, we were supposed to see that happens on gold, but that did not really happen. This shows us that investors are looking at a different stuff. They are looking on geopolitics, what's really happening. So at the end of the day, we see the market trying to continue going higher. And for those who don't know, when things are not going well, or when we have geopolitics all over the world, gold tends to perform very well, and we see that. So we did not really see any aggressive sell. You can see that our support is still there. It was not even broken. You can see we still have a resistant area. So at the end of the day, yes, we might see the market trying to continue to go even higher. Do you see that? So which means mostly, even if we had all this economic news, at the end of the day, the market tends to respect our trend. We had that trend for quite some time at the moment. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30, what happened on US30? The overall structure, I hope you can see that we are on this nice uptrend structure, and it seems like we are on this resistance. You can see if I draw that properly, something like that, you see that. So that's what we have on the resistance side. So you can see that every time once the market reaches this level, mostly we show some proper reversals, you see. But now the question is, things are looking good. Will the market still respect this resistance area or not? It's up to the market. We don't really know, but anything can happen. Maybe the market might reverse. I thought maybe just because NFP it was quite stronger, maybe it was going to reverse, but nope, that did not really happen. So which means we just need to be extra careful and see what will happen. If the market breaks this level, obviously the market will end up continuing with that bullish move, which we still expect it to. I expect to see a continuation of a bullish move, but when we check this type of a structure, there is a possibility of a reversal. So which means we need to play safe around these levels. So with this structure, we can say the best way to know when it's the right time for us to jump in, you can see the market did give us a fake move there. So which means we can just wait for the market to do what? To break out before we jump in. Maybe you can wait until this area just to be safe, then you can jump on that buy. Or maybe the market might just play around this level, or maybe this area of it was a previous resistance, but that is going to be our support if the market decides to reverse, you see. And if maybe the market decides to break out of that, it means the market might go even lower, which I don't think maybe it will happen at the moment, but anything is still possible, you see. So anything is still very, very, very possible. So now we are on gold. Gold did play some games. I think maybe on 4 hours time frame, this one, it was very clean. I saw it was very proper. So if you still remember, on Friday, I said, you know what, I'm expecting to see the market continuing with our trend. It seems like that it's happening. And yes, the market did play around there, but at the end of the day, it seems like the market will end up continuing to the upside, and we want that. We want that because at the moment we can see that we are coming from this smaller downtrend. So now we expect to see a continuation of a push. I did not really want to risk anyone's account by sending unnecessary signals, but you can start to see that there were no any crazy moves. So it's better to stay out. And once you understand what's really happening, it's when you can start to jump in. Even if you jumped in, the market did not really go crazy. You see that? So mostly, I think NFP it's overrated. I think the ones that moves nicely, CPI and the other ones, interest rates and the other ones. NFP is just there just to play around. I don't think maybe it's something that you can just check it like a non-stop. Yeah, sometimes it moves, sometimes it disappoints like way too much. So now we are on US oil. Guys, don't forget that you can join our lifetime signals for only $59. The normal price is $99 for lifetime. So you can join for $60 for those who wants to be part of the team. So I can just show you this. You can see that price is actually for 6 months, but you can join lifetime with that $59. So for those who wants to be part of our team so that we can start to eat together. US oil, what's really happening on the oil side? We can see that the market was on a proper downtrend structure. Guess what? The market just broke out. I think we will still see some nice push to the upside. I think Middle East tensions, they are fueling this oil to go even higher. And I think maybe that will continue, because if you checked Middle East tensions, Israel, Iran and stuff, and whatever that happened, I think it was Friday or Saturday, I think Israel will actually retaliate, and if maybe they target oil reserves on the Iran side, that might actually spike the oil to go higher. Let's hope that doesn't really happen, because if it goes up, that is going to change some stuff that were going very well. We started to see economies recovering because inflations were starting to go lower. But if oil prices going up, it means oil prices have to go up again, and that prices will also start to follow, and we don't really want that, you see. So but we'll just have to track this and see. But at the end of the day, the market once breaks out here, it means we will start to expect to see the market continuing to push to the upside, and that is something else. So yeah, I think for now this will be enough. Okay, German 30, German 30, German 30. It seems like the market is respecting this area that I was talking about, but you can see that it was looking like a nice breakout. I said we will jump on a sell after the market breaks this area, but you can see that the market was just adjusting, so which means the market might start to continue going up like that. So without wasting your time, guys, thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to smash the subscribe. Bye.